morning, Tom.
Morning, Graham.
What are we doing today, Tom?
Cutting Oilseed rake.
Yep. What's the variety?
It's campus.
Yeah.
It's been yesterday. It was coming off at between 6 and 7% moisture.
Yeah.
So
won't need drying then.
No. If anything, I'm a bit worried about it getting too dry today.
Yeah. And you chop the straw.
All being chopped today. Yes.
Yeah. So you got this field to finish.
This field's finished. About another hour left in this field, and then
the one above.
One above. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll go and make a start.
All right then. Next up. It's all GPS auto steer then, Tom?
It is, yeah. It's just...
You could have a bit of a kip, could you, between?
No, it hasn't had any glyphosate, so we're just not pushing it very hard.
Yeah.
It's going nice and steady, got some sunshine in it.
Yeah.
So it's hopefully, we just keep going slowly. It works.
Yeah.